The iPhone 15 Pro Max is the latest and most advanced smartphone from Apple. It has a powerful processor, a high-quality camera, and a large display, making it perfect for people who want a top-of-the-line device for work and entertainment. Additionally, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a long-lasting battery, so you can use it all day without worrying about running out of power. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance smartphone. There are many benefits to owning an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Some of the key benefits include powerful performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a powerful processor and plenty of RAM, which means it can handle multiple tasks at once and run demanding apps and games smoothly. High-quality camera. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a professional-grade camera with multiple lenses and advanced features, such as night mode and deep fusion. This makes it ideal for capturing high-quality photos and videos. Large display. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a large, 6.7-inch display, which is great for streaming movies, browsing the web, and playing games. Long-lasting battery. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a long-lasting battery that can last all day on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about running out of power. Wide range of apps. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has access to the App Store, which has millions of apps and games to choose from. This allows you to customize your phone and find the perfect apps and games for your needs. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a powerful, feature-packed smartphone that can meet the needs of a wide range of users.